Okay, my throats are start going. I'm just talk too much. Okay, let's just try to finish. Rationalize the denominator. Why? Because it comes with square root form, right? So we don't want square root form once again, right? So it's very sounds familiar, right? It's similar to what simplification, right? But they're just kind to saying, okay, can read up that square root form from the denominator, right? So it's the same thing. But at this moment, how can you do that? Because inside the radical form, you cannot make something square out of this, right? So there is other way to do it, right? This is another algebraic skills. How can you remove a square root form, okay, as it is, especially in the fraction forms, okay? See, fraction form is the problem, always, okay? So if you have a over square root of b and try to get rid of square root form over there, how about just multiply the same denominator? Like that, right? So it's the same thing, but the meaning of that is what? Square root of b squared. And square cancel with square root form, right? So you have b alone. That's it, okay? So multiplying square root of 2 at the numerator and denominator, and you don't need any calculation because we know the results, right? Just remove that square root form and remaining that inside. And still, 8 is multiple of 2, so that is changed that 4 times square root of 2. That's the simplest form. See, if you know the tool, the right tool, right? And it doesn't take that long, right? The only problem is, and you know how to do it, right? The only problem is not having enough practice, so you don't know which tool you need at the right moment, right? So that's all you need. And who tells that? No one. Right? No one could do that. Only the experience, right? The practice will pay back for that part. Okay? And it takes time, so don't be frustrated too much if you don't get the right method, right tools at the right moment, at this moment, right? It's okay, right? But it's not gonna okay if you just keep doing that, like not doing anything, right? So I'm begging you, please practice and get the kind of feelings, right? Whenever you see the certain forms, oh, I did very similar ones before. What was it, right? And what was the method that I choose at the moment? Oh, maybe let me try this one and then see. And those types of feelings is very important, and only experience tells you that. Okay.